Hello guys, hope you are doing well. So today in this video we'll see how you can integrate OpenAI in Moodle LMS. Okay, so part of this we'll have to first create a API key, OpenAI key. So let's get started with that. So suppose you have to create a API. So first thing we'll have to purchase their plan. Okay, so the link you see here, the OpenAI sign up first you'll have to do. Let me come to that page. So after sign up, you'll have to purchase a plan, and you can purchase a plan the way you want. Like you can, you'll have to purchase the token basically. Okay, so I have already purchased that plan, and you see here. Okay, so on this page you can create n number of secret key for your instance. Got it? So here you can put your LMS. Got it? So project name will coming by default, whatever you have given the name, and restriction in case you want to restrict a specific one, you can also go with that. But I think the all permissions should be a good idea. And in case you have to create a service account, you can also go for that. But so this is only the recommended one. So if you click on this, you just have to put the name. Even you don't want to put, you don't have to do anything. Just click on the create. Got it? So if I click on the create, it will create me another account, and yes, of course, you'll have to copy this key. Got it? So you'll have to copy this one, and this can be used within your LMS. Okay, so let's say I just copy this one. Done. You see I just created this one, and I can log in, and under site administration, you see, let me skip this one. So if you have upgraded your Moodle current version in Moodle 4.0, the features like the AI is already the part of the Moodle core. And let me take you to my current instance is Moodle 4.5. Got it? So under general setting, you'll find the AI providers. So if I click on this, I can see I just randomly enable that one, but I have to enable at least one. Okay, so OpenAI, yeah, I just created the key there, and I will be using this one. So I will have to click on the settings. So I just pasted, and organization ID. So you don't have to worry around. We just click on the save changes. Got it? So now the next setting should be here, the general text. So if I come to the settings, I see here this is the default one coming, but with my current plan this will not be working. So mini and save. Now go back on the previous page. Same way, you see here the generate. So this will be required. So this is the plan under my plan. So that is fine. If I come here summarize text, this is also again. I will have to update that one because this is not in my current purchase plan. So I will have to make it mini. Got it? So these are all configuration uh, you have to configure. So you'll also have to adjust the AI placement. So for that, again, you'll have to come back here. Okay, so two settings you see here under AI, and so this part is done completely, and now we have to adjust the AI placement. So the under course assistance placement, I will have to enable the settings like this. So summarize text is enable, then HTML text, general text, generate text based on the text prompt is enable, generate an image based on the text prompt is enable. So both one is enable. Now you can try this out and see how it works, and you'll also see how some issue are there if you will be starting